What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about disposition of your coarse air or any ice AIO CPU water cooler position matters. Well, first, guys, let me dry it out for you. Okay, for example, here is gonna be the radiator. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, guys, this is your radiator, and then this is going to be for the front of the case. I'm not a good drawer, guys. Okay, guys, here's the radiator, fans obviously somewhere around here. This is going to be the CPU. Now, if this is how you mount your CPU, your radiator, this is the pump. Right here's the pump. So basically, this is not a good ideal positioning for the pump. No, because the pump will generate some air bubbles, and then as the tubes are towards the top right here, and then as you guys know about the physics of air, if they put air in water, the air will rise up to the top. So here's the liquid is inside of here. It gets through the pump. It gets through the pump and then into the radiator. Now, if there's water, it's gonna rise to the top, and then the pump will suck up all the liquid from the radiator back to the pump. We're taking air with it, and then it won't be able to suction the air out. The air will not leave the pump. And then it's gonna work extra hard just to cool, just to pump all that liquid through the radiator, which will also ruin your temperatures because it has to work extra hard. It's gonna be very noisy, very complicated, very hard for the pump. It's gonna shorten its lifespan by a lot. Now, for example, if we flip it around, this is a lot better. Actually, way better for front mounted. For example, because like I said, air rises up. So if you go all the way up here, the trapped air will not go down. It's not how it works. The trapped air will not go from the CPU, but the air will come from the CPU, and that's from the pump. The pump will make air, and it's gonna give it to the radiator, and it's gonna be trapped in the radiator's top. And now the top right here, the one where there's no pipes, it doesn't have any connection to the bottom where the pipes are. No connection, meaning the air will be stuck there, especially if it's 90%. Especially because like after a while, all the water, all the liquid just dissipates, it like evaporates, and then it becomes emptier and emptier. But the air will still be trapped up here because air rises; it doesn't fall. Okay, now for bottom mounted, not the best at all. Like I said, water rises up. So what do you guys stop and think? What's wrong with this imagery? Yes, correct. The air from the pump will stay at the pump. It will not even go down to the radiator. And if it does go down to the radiator, it's gonna go back. It's gonna find its way. It's gonna find its way through the pump, through the radiator, to the pump. It's gonna find its way to the pump, and that's gonna ruin it even faster. Now, if it's at the top, that's the best way because it's gonna be stuck at the top right here. It's gonna be stuck at the top right here. Right here, it's gonna be stuck. Like the air it will not go down like I've been saying. It's gonna be only traveling around the pipe, the radiator. And that's it, guys. The top, the radiator has to be at the top, and the pump has to be below. And remember, right here, make sure I was at Best Buy asking a ton of questions about this to do my research. The Best Buy employee said the pipes have to be below the the pump, below the pump, meaning here's the pump, correct, guys? And then you could literally there's like here are the pipes. One of them could be going like that, like that, and then you could twist it all the way down to point downwards, and then you want the pipes to go like this, and then like that. For example, like that, down from the pipe up to the radiator, and that's gonna be it, guys. Hopefully, if we're future PC builders like me, this helped you out. Stay tuned for my push or pull config video. I don't have any specifications, like I don't have any like proof that it helps, but just I'll go to detail then. Hopefully this actually helped you out, guys. I actually learned this recently. I just want to put this out there. J2Sense has a video on that, and Gamers Nexus LTT, I think LTT, Linus Tech Tips. I know Gamers Nexus and J2Sense that does that. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe. Hopefully this helped out to one of you guys. Like and subscribe because this was epic. Bye.